Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. Carib Cement achieved record cement sales of approximately 96,000 metric tons for the month of February. In addition, for the first quarter ending March 31, 2026, the company reported revenue of $9.3 billion, representing a 12.9% year-over-year increase. This performance is credited to the $6.7 billion debottleneck investment, which has significantly improved kiln output and operational efficiency, resulting in its record cement sales in February. Mayberry has closed its public bond offering more than a week earlier than the scheduled start. The bond was opened on April 13 and was to close on May 11. It closed Friday. The brokerage and investment company initially sought to raise $2.06 billion, but earlier this week upsized the offering in response to strong demand and ultimately received applications in excess of 3 billion Jamaican dollars. Additionally, Mayberry Investments is reporting strong progress on the Hambani Estates luxury housing development in Kingston. The investment firm says it has received 7 practical completion certificates for units at the upscale gated community located on Bamboo Avenue in Ligani. All 7 completed homes are already under contract for sale at a price in excess of US $1 million each. Mayberry says construction is now running ahead of schedule, with the project on track to be completed before June 30, 2026 deadline. The company adds that sales proceeds to date have already covered all expected development costs and are generating a surplus. The company also noted that it structured and arranged corporate notes for First Rock Caribbean and its subsidiary FCH Jamaica developers to finance the project. For the trading period of May 1, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Wigton Energy Limited with 23,189,701 units, representing 48.87% of market sales activities. Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 4,906,067 units, representing 10.34% of market sales activities. Express Catering Limited with 3,275,259 units, representing 6.9% of market sales activities. Investor activity remained concentrated in solar energy, transportation, and distribution plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market based on Bank of Jamaica data for May 1, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. For the US dollar, trading margins reflected steady liquidity, with the US selling at $156.47 and buying at $158.21. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by $1.25 transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $116.28 and was bought for $115.03. For the British pound, continued volatility offered short-term trading opportunities of $8.39 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $216.26 and was bought for $207.87. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing for currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, as your child prepares to enter university, you're likely thinking about tuition, housing, and emotional readiness. But there's another transitioning happening quietly in the background, and that's financial identity. One of the most underrated tools you already have to guide them is your own credit report. Not as a lecture, not as a warning, as a living case study. Many parents hesitate to show their credit report because it's not perfect, but that's why it's useful. A credit report is more than a financial document. It's a map of your lived experience. When you use it to mentor your child, you're not just helping them build credit. You're equipping them with a toolkit for independence, resilience, and opportunity at every major turn in life. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing clarity to capital markets and strategy. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.
In regional news, as countries mark the Labor Day on May